Stay, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
We're gonna do a little tire check too. So like, to the naked eye, these tires look great, man, you know? But then when you get close, it's horrible, all those cracks in there. Let's go. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, so, you know, these are a little bit low, but and these are bad too, but they're not as bad as the other ones. The other ones are not giving me no traction. Sure?
Yeah. That one is.
I thought this one was all fucked up just because of this. Look.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's making me go side to side. Yeah, so do these two first, and then I'll come back next week if you got some more. I'll get the other two. Yeah, because I'm sliding. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? See, exactly. I thought it was good too. I thought it was real good. So they got, this is a great tire, but you got these slits right here that are making me slide. So that's not good. Not good at all. But that's what's up, though. I like his professionalism already. He's telling me which two to do. And, you know, I told him about that. He's like, oh, yeah, you're right. Because, like, these two, yeah, these move. Right. So I definitely got to do them. But I have a little by little, though. It's not real fast, real professional. I ain't gonna front back. So these are how the tires should be looking, you know, nice and clean, no ridges through the middle of it. You know, just like I actually have traction. And when I saw those last night, I ended up switching to the front of the vehicle. I switched the back to the front, and then it drove even worse. So I already knew that those two had to get done. This guy is real good. He's real good. I ain't gonna front. My son is nice. And then when you do stuff like this, you get to check the car. So my brakes is looking clean. Son. Oh, it's an air gun. I'm over here thinking the car is making a noise and shit. But yeah, I gotta change this one right here. I got the piece. I changed the tire rod. Alright. But I already changed this one. See, it's holding up great. It looks beautiful right there. And I'm gonna change this one too. Yeah, looking real good. I'm happy. And I got some new brake pads for this, but this is already decent for now. And then when you look, you know, ball joint right here. I'm at the ball joint, upper ball joint right here, but the bushes on the side are bad. So until this goes, I'm pretty good for now. I'm gonna change all of it in the summer anyways. Excuse me. Man, sneeze cough. What the fuck? But yeah, man. This truck is a beast though. I ain't gonna front. Beast. Just cool though. It's very professional, man. Look at these shits. So the old ones, now look at the new ones right here. Clean joints. Very clean, nice joints right there. So all good. You're over there working. I'm gonna get out of here in a second. What a difference, guys. Oh my God. It's amazing what two tires could do, man. I did not know it was that bad of an idiot. I did not know that tires would do that. I'm learning something new every day. I mean, when I had the Impala, tires wasn't really a big deal, and I guess it's because it's a car. But all I did was switch the front wheels to the back wheels yesterday night, and it was like the worst drive. Like it felt like the tire rods were gonna pop. Stabilizer ball links was bad. I felt like everything was horrible, and the steering wheel would move every time I drive. Like right now, it's staying stiff, you know, and that's how it should be. It's just that's amazing. I'm not even gonna front, guys. You know, and it was a great deal. You know, charged me $40 a tire. He said he said they were new. I was like, what? It's lit, but you know, whatever. It's all about the brand, quality, how long the thread is, or whatever. But even if it lasts me the winter, that was a great fucking deal right now. $80 for the 2 tires. That was a dramatic difference. So, you know, check your tires, y'all. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate y'all.